to my video today. I wanted to do a quick flip through of a couple layouts that I have done over the last few weeks. I am working to just get back into the space of doing more traditional layouts and spending more time doing that. I just think scrapbooking is definitely something that I've gone through seasons with, and I still do my pocketed pages, and I love doing project lifestyle, and I have mini albums that I do, but recently I've just wanted to get back into doing more of the traditional layouts. So I just thought I would share with you a few that I've been doing. A lot of these I do with my membership group, which is $10 a month. It's called Simply Documented, and it's just a space where we get together and we craft, particularly with scrapbooking, and I can help you with projects, and it's a fun space for us to be. And so I just thought I would share some of these that I've done. So I'm sorry about the lighting if it's a little bit off. I'm filming on a new camera and I'm just trying to get used to the settings. So this is a double page layout that I did, and instead of messing with my camera, I'm just gonna move this back and forth. My goal is to start doing some more process videos just that are here on YouTube for you guys. So hopefully I will be doing that soon. That was part of trying to find a new camera. So this layout here I did with the Echo Park. I believe it was the summer something, and it was a 6x6 paper pad, and I used that, and this is back in late May, early June, when we got the kids a trampoline, and then we also moved some stuff around in the yard. It was at the beginning kind of spring and summer, and we started really doing some things out in the front. And so I just used the paper, and then I used my Stampin' Up! In Bloom dies for the flowers, and I just layered those and used a couple brads, and then the butterflies are from the Butterfly Brilliance dies, and so I just added those to have a little bit of extra on there. The next layout is a double-sided layout as well, and this is of Kayla. Her and her friends were taking some photos down in like our downtown area, which is really a cool area, particularly for photography. And so these I thought were so good, and so I wanted to do a traditional layout with them. This paper here, the different colored brick paper, I actually got on scrapbook.com. I will have photos of these layouts over on my website, and then I will link any of the products that I can in case you're wanting to get it. I did the smile on my Cricut Joy, and then I used a stamp set that had some sayings on it and the camera, and I just cut them out. And then these small tiny hearts here are from Ali Edwards, and I just sprinkled those all over the place. The next layout I have is of Andrew and Esau, and this one says, always happy to help my daddy. And then this was an old Stampin' Up! Stamp set, and I just stamped those images, and then I colored them, and I added them to the side. This paper is Echo Park, and it is either the Teen Boy or the All Boy paper pack, and that's the paper that I used. All of my foundation paper and inks are all Stampin' Up! So the background cardstock here on all of my layouts have been Stampin' Up! And then this is Midnight Moonlight, and that was 8.5 by 11 cardstock that I cut up and I used in my Cricut. Stampin' Up! Cardstock cuts beautifully in die cut machines. It's one of the very first things I ever did with Stampin' Up! Cardstock is I used it in my Cricut and fell in love with the way it cut, and so I love using that. And then all of my foundation products, like my stamp, my stamps, my inks, my cardstock, my coloring mediums are all Stampin' Up! Because I like to keep everything consistent and I'm very matchy. So I really love making sure that all my stuff matches so I can have ribbon and cardstock that are the same color and that match. This is a layout of Violet's 6th grade school pictures. The paper is Echo Park, the school pack. And then there's one that is back to school, and then there's another one, I forget the name of it, but again, I will link it, and I mix and match those two sets. And then the cardstock, again, is Stampin' Up! This is Real Red. The other thing that I really love about Stampin' Up's colors in particular is that they match other products that are on the market really well. So this is Echo Park, and you can see the reds match really well, and I really like that. So that is Violet's 6th grade picture. And then this one is Andrew's 4th grade picture. And again, I just used that same Echo Park. I think I have like two of those, two of the different paper packs, and I just kind of mix and match them. And then I used the yellow is Crushed Curry Stampin' Up! Cardstock, and then the number and the letters here are from Allie Edwards, and then the rest of these little pieces are just from the Echo Park paper pack. So there was that one. And then the last one I have to show you here is Kayla's school picture. And this I used a background pattern piece. All of the paper here that I used is from the DCWV Arcadia, I believe is what it's called. Paper pack. Again, it will be linked on my website if you are looking for this exact product, but I used a pattern piece for the very back, and then I added this piece here. This is ribbon from Stampin' Up! It's retired. It's the Night of Navy crinkled ribbon. I really love that. And then that's the color that I chose as an accent color, the Night of Navy. This was a butterfly punch. And then I cut these flowers out of that paper pack, and then these cards were in that paper pack as well. So that was Kayla's school pictures. So I've done quite a few layouts in the last few weeks, and I'm getting back into the hang of it and enjoying it so much. I hope to be sharing more of this with you guys here on my YouTube channel. So stay tuned for that. And I would just love to know if you are scrapbooking, if you still love traditional, if you only do pocketed pages, like what are you doing for memory keeping now, and has it changed over the years? I feel like I'm going back to my roots with the traditional layouts that I really just love. I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Thank you so much for checking out my videos. Here on the screen, you're going to see 2 other videos that you can check out. I would love for you to do all the YouTubey things, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post a video, and I will catch you in my very next crafty video.